Hey, what's up YouTube? 530 drone, Joshua Besnay here. A gorgeous day up in Northern California. Brought out the new toy, the HappyModel Mobula8. Yeah, so I've already taken one little flight on that. It's incredible. Super fun, super lightweight, great battery times. I did a little modification here. The C2X was not functioning, so I took the power cable off there, and now I'm able to use the Beta FPV batteries with the little XT30 adapter, so I can put my little sticks of gum batteries in there. And flying out here, so let's rip this thing. Yeah. Right, for this flight here, we're gonna use the Beta FPV lavas, and
I just couldn't tell where it was at.
looks like drone recovered. Awesome.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.